Hi everyone and welcome again to this short video series. In this video, I'm going to talk about 2019 exam question number 3. This question came from the topic of investments. So we look at the study matrix again on StudyNinja website and we go to the investment topic, and this came from the compound interest part, and I've put these kind of questions as mild question type. So this yellow section means that it's a mild type of questions. Though this question specifically, the one that came in 2019, was more on the line. Maybe you can call it an easy question as well. Um, Depends on how much you hate the topic of investments, I guess. So let's open this section. So these kind of questions most of the times would either ask you to calculate the present value, future value, repayments, or rate of interest. Basically, there is an equation which I'll talk about that you need to know for this section. And if you know that, most of the things would be given, and one of the things you need to work out from that formula. So let's open this question, which is 2019 question number 3. This is a question. Chris has opened up a bank account and he deposits $1,000 into it. Interest is paid at 3.5% per annum annually. And there are no further deposits or withdrawal. And the question is asking you to calculate the balance of the account at the end of the 2 years. So, simple words, what it's asking you is what is the value of $1,000 in 2 years if it is earning 3.5% every year and compounding is happening annually? Make sure you understand this. There can be trick over here. Sometimes if a question can give you this rate at per annum and gives you this as compounding is happening semi-annually, which means the interest is charged 2 times a year, or compounding happening monthly, which means interest is charged every month. So be careful about this. In this case, it's annually, so it's all good. So let's take this question out. So we've got the question over here. Now to solve this, what you need to know is, let's actually get back to our website. On StudyNinja website under the topic of investments. So if you go to the compound interest, let's open this in a new tab. This is the formula that you need to know. Let me take this formula out. So you've got everything you need to know for this topic is explained over here, and along with different kind of questions and a video from Mr. Borges. So let's take out the formula. So the formula says that if it's a compound interest, then the future value is equal to present value times 1 plus I is the interest rate, and to the power of t is the time period. So what are we given in this question? We are given that he's opening a bank account with a deposit of $1,000, which means today the value is $1,000. So we have the present value. Interest is paid at 3.5% per annum. So we know the interest, which is 3.5%. So this is I in the formula. And no further deposits or withdrawals are made. And what they're asking is the balance at the end of 2 years. So 2 years is the T in this question. And they ask the balance at that time, so future value. This is as easy as this question can get. All you need to do is just plug these things in this formula and you will get the answer. So future value is equal to $1,000 multiplied by 1 plus 3.5% to the power of t, which is 2 years. You solve this up and you will get the answer of 1071.23, which is your option B. So that's how you will solve it. To learn more, you can go on to StudyNinja website, and you can also download under the resources section. We've got some study notes which you can download, and memorize this formula and learn some tricks about this chapter. Thank you.